Hello and welcome to our video about the stunning new property development in Mersin, Turkey. In this video, we will take a closer look at the various features and amenities that this new development has to offer. Whether you are looking for a new home or an investment opportunity, this project is sure to impress. First, let's start with the general characteristics of the property. One of the key features of this development is the natural gas system, which provides a reliable and efficient source of energy for your home. The use of heat-resistant pumice in the construction of the building ensures that the property is well insulated and energy efficient. The smart elevator system is also a standout feature, allowing for easy and convenient access to all floors of the building. In addition, the property is equipped with an internal fire detector and a complete generator, providing you with peace of mind in the event of an emergency. Moving on to the internal features, the property offers a range of stylish and functional features that are designed to make your life easier. The suspended ceiling adds a touch of elegance to the interior, while the kitchen cabinets and wardrobe in the hallway provide ample storage space. The wardrobe in the bathroom is another thoughtful feature that adds to the overall functionality of the property. The kitchen worktop is made of high-quality materials and is designed to withstand daily use. The steel front door is both durable and secure, and the double-glazed windows for PVC windows provide excellent insulation. The imported silicone-based paint adds a touch of luxury to the interior, while the plumbing and shower cabin are first-class. The property features 10 mm thick laminate flooring and glass balcony railings, providing a modern and stylish look. Moving on to the social zone, the property offers a range of amenities that are perfect for those who love an active lifestyle. The outdoor swimming pool is a great place to relax and cool off on a hot day, while the open and closed parking ensures that you always have a place to park your car. The outdoor playground is perfect for families with young children, and the gazebos provide a shaded place to relax and socialize. The basketball court is perfect for sports enthusiasts, and the indoor sports hall is a great place to stay active even in bad weather. Now let's take a look at the territory features. The property offers a range of amenities that are perfect for relaxation and socializing. The decorative pool is a stunning feature that adds to the overall ambience of the development, while the cafes and restaurants are perfect for those who enjoy dining out. The walking area is perfect for taking a leisurely stroll, and the gazebos provide a shaded place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The open and closed outlets are also a great feature, providing a convenient place to shop for daily necessities. The property is conveniently located just 7 kilometers, 10 minutes from the airport and just 1 minute from the TARSUS shopping center, making it easy to access all the amenities that Mersin has to offer. The project is currently under construction and will consist of 7 blocks, each with 15 floors. Blocks A and B will each have 312 apartments, of which 237 are 1+1 apartments and 75 are 2+1 apartments. The project is set to be completed on the 10th of October 2024 and the 10th of October 2025. Finally, for our center project, we offer a payment plan that is being prepared before the 30th of June 2024. The property can be paid in installments with a minimum initial 50% down payment and the remaining amount not more than every 3 months. Thank you for watching this video about the new property development in Mersin. For more information and to view our sample,